Hello and welcome to today's video. Today I want to give you guys an in-person look of what my day-to-day looks like. So I want to give you guys a little bit of a stream room tour. I know it's a little bit different from the sort of videos that I'm used to putting, but you know, it doesn't hurt to experiment. So I want to show you guys what I have in my room and how I use it to work every day. This video is unscripted, by the way, and I usually love working with scripts, so it might be a little bit more difficult for me to record this one, but here we are. Anyways, guys, let me give you a little bit of insight of what I have going on here. Alright, so let's start off with the computer desk, right? This is where most of the stuff gets done. I have a 2-PC setup. Let's just start down here. Alright, I have an AMD streaming computer with a 1660 Super as a graphics card that does all the encoding. And for my gaming PC over here, I have an Intel CPU with a 2070 Super graphics card. I know it's not like the latest 30 series, but who can find one of those anyways, right? Even though my computer's running, it runs pretty quietly. That's what I love about it. But there's no RGB in it. And the only piece of RGB I do have is on my streaming PC, and that's because the fan came with the CPU. Other than that, I like to cheap out on these things. If it doesn't affect performance, there's no reason for me to get it, right? Alright, so for accessories, I have my Corsair K95 Platinum keyboard. This has been my go-to for the longest time, but it has a couple of years on it, and I'm thinking about replacing it soon because some of the buttons are not responding. This is my streaming keyboard. I don't really use it other than just for OBS and stuff. For my gaming PC, I have the Razer Huntsman Tournament Edition, which is the one over here. I don't really have anything to say about it other than the fact that it is a keyboard. It does get the job done. It has clickety-clackies, you know. It's a keyboard. What else can I say? For mice, I have a SteelSeries mouse. Don't know the brand, don't know what it does, but the one I use for streaming is my Razer Viper Ultimate. Now this is the baby. This is actually my favorite mouse by far because it's so lightweight, and this is what I like about it. You know, you just place it and it starts charging. You know, the charging dock is so nice. It is so handy. This is actually like my favorite thing about this. You know, I'm a big camera guy. I like cameras, I like tripods, but for some reason I really like this mouse. It is a very nice mouse. So there you go. Alright, so for audio, I have the AT2020 XLR microphone. It's not a Shure SM7B, but it does sound amazing. I mean, you guys have heard it on my stream. This is the microphone I use every day, and well, it's connected to my Go XLR Mini. I don't see the benefit of spending extra money for the full Go XLR, so everything that I could ever need on the Go XLR Mini is there already, so there's no reason for me to get the normal Go XLR, you know? So for monitors, I have 3 monitors. I have a 27-inch AOC curved monitor. Let me see. There we go. AOC. Yep, it's there somewhere. Yeah, 27-inch AOC monitor and 2 24 inches. So for lighting, I have 2 of the Neewer bicolor panels. I think these go for maybe like 120, from 80 to like 120 on Amazon. It's been a while since I've checked them out, honestly. With so many different types of products coming out in recent times that are streaming oriented, I really can't say that these are bad, but they're just one in the bunch, you know? There's some that are good, there's some that are worse. These are okay. They're not Elgato key lights, but they get the job done. These are really solid light panels. And when you walk back, this is how it looks. This is the place. This is where the magic happens. It's pretty nice. I'm really happy with this. I know it's not super fancy, it's not high-end, but honestly, I could not be happier with this build. I forgot to mention I got this Stream Deck right here, but you guys know what a Stream Deck is. I feel like everyone knows what a Stream Deck is these days. The only thing that's missing is the camera, which I'm holding, but usually goes right there. This is the entire streaming setup, and when it comes to making YouTube videos, I go over here. This is a more standard basic setup. So I got my ring light. This is an 18-inch ring light. I have 2 of them, but I only use one for making videos. This one over here, I just use it whenever I need it for extra shots or any extra lighting for a specific B-roll shot. I have this weird contraption. This is where my microphone goes. The microphone's currently equipped to the camera itself because I'm recording, but I got this weird contraption just to make sure that the microphone's right above the shot, so you guys don't see it in the shot. And this is my Glide Gear TMP 100 teleprompter. I made a video about this. Here's my foot. Here's my other foot. I couldn't find the other dragon foot, so you guys, that's it. That's my feet. That's my feet right there. What's up? This thing makes my life so much easier when it comes to making videos. I just pop in my phone here on the tray, and it reflects the script straight to me, so I can read the script while I'm looking at the camera for making videos. So it makes my life so much more easier. That's amazing. And you know, I'm not much of a trinkets guy. I don't like to collect trinkets. I do like Animal Crossing though, so I have a couple of Animal Crossing amiibos here, and everything else that I have is just random things that people give me. Random things that people, you know, just want to share with me. We got, oh, that's Baby Yoda over there. And yeah, over here, it's just like I have a tech deck, this weird clown thing, Fortnite llama, I think that's another Animal Crossing amiibo, and some Mickey Mouse. And of course, I have my neon light strip over here. I much prefer this over the LED strips that have just like individual lights. I don't like the way those look in backgrounds. If they're hidden somewhere like in between or under or behind like the furniture, it looks awesome, it looks cool. But if you want to like display it on the show, it doesn't look as good as a solid color line like that one. I really like this one. Alright, so I have an Amazon chair. This thing's falling to bits. I'm thinking of replacing it soon. But the last thing I want to show you guys is my closet. This is where I have most of my stream wardrobe. I have a bunch of different shirts, and this is where all my cables, camera gear, random assortment of batteries and things that you might need. You guys know, I'm pretty sure all of you guys have something where you put all your crap in. This is where all my crap goes, and extra tripods. Yeah, extra tripods. But yeah, that's the way it is. This is what I got. This is what my room looks like. And yeah, that's the whole room. That's the whole shebangle. That's my chair is really squeaky, by the way. That's the whole shebangle. This is where the magic happens. This is where everything gets done. YouTube videos over there. Streaming over here. I know at least one of you guys asked for this video, so if it makes one person happy, letting them know that this is the way everything operates here, I'm happy too. I'm also very happy with the fact that I get the chance to have all this stuff, to be able to make content, and just be able to put myself out there so you guys are entertained by the sort of videos I put out. But anyways, thank you guys for hanging out here, thank you guys for watching. Check out another one of my videos while you're at it. Take care, and I will catch you guys live.